Go.
Run your
You feel like them not going to run you out? I want Martin and I target this. Guy over here. Don't understand, so if you are rush, you can't bring me because me have one speed and one speed only. Because I want foot me have. So I feel sorry for him. And it's still going. It's still going.
Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And turn on the notification bell right there.
Good morning, YouTube. Excuse my presentation. But happy 4th. It's 4th of July. We're having a little shindig, nothing crazy. You know, babe likes to be on the grill, so we're doing that. And something and thing, y'all will see. But we're right now doing a last minute run to Walmart. And guy over here don't understand, so if you are rush, you can't bring me because me have one speed and one speed only. Because I want foot me have. So I feel sorry for him.
I mean, if they close at 12,
But
get there ample time for you for hobble inside.
you think I could hobble inside in time?
If they close.
Because my hobble is one speed.
I mean, not if we're stuck behind this one right here.
Yeah, so that's what we're doing right now, and man, these people are driving slow. But
Siri,
just be safe, babe.
navigate to
Anywho.
Seatown.
No, we want to go Walmart.
Getting directions.
It's right on.
I just want to see where I'm going. I don't know why.
So that's what we do. Dep on the road. But there, I'm the taste tester always. So by the time.
What am I coming on about that? Yo.
So yeah, I am the original taste tester. That's why I got this bone in my hand. I was devouring some chicken, jerk chicken, and then I was dragged out into the streets. So yeah, that's what we doing. So we'll see you at Walmart. Okay, we'll see you at Walmart and see how very slowly we grab what we need. So we are at Walmart now, and they're dropping me off at the front because you know my life. Let's go, babe. I'll be waiting for you.
Yeah.
Whoopsie. What is wrong with you? Crazy? What me I going in the fan? I do me a weird fan. Come on, babes. Go.
Run your
You feel like them not going to run you out? I want Martin and I target this. Babes, you have to go work a little bit less fast. Yeah, it takes too long. You walk slow. I'm kidding. I can't go. This is me. This is my pace, okay? I don't really know. I'm not really coming here like that. You should have got these on. Come on, let's check the other aisle. Come on, what you want to get? You want to get juice?
Yeah, just grab a juice for head on.
Okay. So Walmart is a bust because we don't know what they sell here. Clearly, we are not Walmart goers frequently. I don't know. back. Yeah. Oh yeah, you know somebody do want to get something there when I come here. I need to sell juice on that. Them never have a little aisle where I have a few little Jamaican things. I'm not in here. Oh, okay. A Tampico, me did I look for still. Them sometimes I see Tampico in here. You know.
You understand, Cito?
Maybe don't want to get the container them and me don't say you forget and you want to put the vegetable and something, you know. Come, let's go get it was cheap. Yeah, what you want to get?
Arizona watermelon.
Huh? Okay. Yeah, get that. Get couple. The girls like that anyways at the end of the day. Yeah, get couple. It's just Arizona. Just buy it and then put.
Different from the one.
It's the same.
Oh yeah, it's the same.
Just put. You know what? You guys could spruce it up with some lemon. Squeeze some lime in there. Spruce it up. Put a little ginger. Yeah, get another one too. Yeah. Same flavor. Come on, let's go. Eh? Come on. And you have garbage bag and them something there, right?
What's that?
You have garbage bag?
Yeah.
Okay. The little container them where them put, you know, like you can put little thing and thing, you know? No, for put food. Oh, up inside there?
No.
In that island? Okay. Babes, why you make me go faster than you? I'm not tell you say the aisle. Yeah. Mislead me. That is plastic. Me I talk about some nice glass glass container, ceramic and them something there. You know, like when we buy the mugs. Okay, so the mugs them we must can find something somewhere close by. Alright, yourself.
No, right there, man.
You like them here?
What you want to put in there?
Like what you call it? The vegetable stuff where I got call the potato salad.
Can I get some like this one?
No, that's actually no, I don't want that.
This one?
Let me see this. Alright, that's not bad. You can put the potato salad and the vegetable. Take another one. And get another one. Get sugar. That's heavy as hell. Alright. What else we need for Sharon? Can I need to get? Is this the aisle? No. Oh, maybe we're going next one. Let me see. But I think to make my mac and cheese in one of them something, yeah, so we can put it on the thing and make it stay warm. Are them size they did buy? That's kind of big, you know.
Yeah, them size I'm buy.
That size?
Yeah.
Is that the one that fits on the thing you bought?
No. This is what I bought. No, it's too small.
Maybe this? You sure?
Well, your mac and cheese can one on this though.
Yeah, but me talk about for the thing, the fire something where you buy.
The fire thing I'm going to pick up, I'm going to pick up thing them right next to it. It's a little bit deeper, so probably.
Alright, pick up a small one over. No, let's pick up. What about this size?
One, this one come with a cover too.
Let them cross this plastic cover there. You know. I pack two of them coming up, babes. Just want to make sure I get the right one for where you have, you know.
Just pick up something right next to it, but I don't them one now.
Okay.
That's weird. The one I pick up, I have like the blue thing on it like this. But it not so small. Oh, this side makes piece out.
So we're gonna have to go to Seatown because
Yeah?
no, I've got no Walmart for it. Let's go, hurry up. As hurry up as you can be. With me, I'll just walk slowly over here. Meet you on the outside. Huh?
Because it's 11.
In the night?
Yeah.
What?
Yeah.
I can imagine. I don't have my card. They don't take Apple Pay.
No.
Sorry. Thank you. Have a good day. Come on, babe. Let's go. And in case anybody is wondering, probably not, but in case, I tried to lay down my edges this morning, so that's why I have this hat on. I don't normally wear it outside, but to hell with it. Nobody now look me. And I never expected to be out here anyways. As I said, I'm taken against my will. I can only walk so fast.
Then go straight. Don't go diagonally.
Why? I'm coming out the road.
Well, you're taking a longer time when you go this way. I mean, which holiday was it? I came here and it was closed. Maybe take Christmas holiday?
No, it was recent holiday. Memorial Day?
So what? Them know.
Was it Memorial Day that was first?
Was one of them holiday I know I came here to get something, but they were like,
You not take out them then what you want?
I'm just one person, you know. And if I'm still climb up and get up, clean up the yard, bun up your ribs.
No, just don't do that. Don't force it in there. You never get a little bag? Okay, I'm gonna go sit in the car. Come on.
Okay.
Let's go. The car's open? Nope.
Okay.
We don't have any battery on this. Camera's almost dead. Whew. Yeah. So I was saying, I came outside looking cray because I tried to lay my edges, which I'm not very good at. I'm not a hair person, but I try a thing, and that's why I have this on, because I am not gonna let all my hard work go to waste. At least if it doesn't work, it's not because I didn't try. So let's go, babe. Where you gonna?
Try to get seat on it first. Let me send us. But that's damn what we have in terms of the look at the ribs.
Okay. Seatown it is.
Rapido.
Rapido. Why did you put that accent on it? Rapido?
Rapido.
Oh my god.
Nah, I'm gonna do something with the people. Yes, tell them man, because we have two idiots here, so.
You're so confused. It's like it's like a standoff. Or you go first. You go first. Let me go.
Babe, go on. Come on to the people.
How much things do you want me to do? Call mommy then. Call mommy, because you're confusing me. Call your mother. Come on to the car. Oh my god. No, I can't. I can't. I have to focus and walk and step good. I want to say I'm gonna.
Go, mommy. Go, mommy. You say that, no?
No, we're going to the Caribbean aisle. What juice? The Caribbean aisle. Right there. Yes. Yeah, so we found a supermarket with a lot more flavor, meaning they have an international aisle with international options. So we finished now, we're going back home. What a hustle bustle situation, but yeah, we get what we need. We got what we needed. And I just hear still good day. Looks like rain though. Anywho, see you guys at home.
Whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Now they're used to it, huh?
Let Cash get
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're chilling in the rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you.
That looks kind of cool, babe. I like that one, yeah. And it's still going. It's still going. Woo!
Right, tail, tummy, and the drive. And turn on notification bell right there.